Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tableau Desktop for data science workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Tableau website. In the top menu, look for the Products option. Hover over this option and select Tableau Desktop from the drop-down menu. Once on the Tableau Desktop page, locate the Try Now button. Click on the Try Now button to initiate the download process. You will be directed to a form for your details. Fill in the required fields including your name, email address, and organization. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. After filling in the form, click on the Download button. The Tableau Desktop installer will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement when prompted. Choose the installation location or proceed with the default option. Click Install to begin the installation of Tableau Desktop. The installation process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Now, find Tableau Desktop in your Applications or Programs list. Double-click the Tableau Desktop icon to launch the application. Upon first launch, you'll be prompted to enter your license key or use it in trial mode. Choose the option that suits your needs. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. You're now ready to start building your data science workflows with Tableau Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.